Mahigit 3.7 milyon halaga ng smuggle na sigarilyo na kumpiska ng Maritime Unit dito sa Hilagang Mindanao noong Oktubre 24, 2024. Tinatayang umabot sa 3.7 milyon na halaga ng smuggled cigarettes ang nasamsam sa joint operation ng mga kapulisan ng Hilagang Mindanao sa Barangay Pungtod, Cagayan de Oro City nito lamang ika-24 ng Oktubre 2024. Ito'y pinamunuan ng Regional Maritime Unit 10 kasama ang Regional Special Operations Unit ng Hilagang Mindanao at iba pang sangay na ahensya ng pamahalaan na nagresulta sa matagumpay na operasyon. Ayon kay Police Colonel Charlie Tivete, Chief Regional Maritime Unit 10, bandang alas 3 ng madaling araw nang isinagawa ang operasyon na nagresulta sa pagkakahuli sa isang Isuzu 10-wheeler truck na naglalaman ng 10,750 rims ng Modern Red brand ng smuggle na sigarilyo.
Ito ay joint operations ng PNP Maritime Group Region 10 under of course our Director, Police Brigadier General Jonathan Icabal, and the Police Regional Office 10 led by our able Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Jason Guzman, and other units like the Bureau of Customs. Involved din dito yung LGU and other local government units. Base sa report, over 24 this year at about 3 a.m. nag-conduct tayo ng operation against cigarette smuggling at Nicolas Sector Street, Barangay Puntod, Cagayan de Oro City. Meron tayong nakuha na 10,750 rims of Modern Red brand of smuggled cigarettes with estimated market value of 3,762,500. And nakarecover din po tayo ng Isuzu 10-wheeler truck with an estimated value of 800,000 pesos. Banggitin ko na lang yung sinabi ng ating Chief PNP na this battle is not against the counterfeit and smuggled cigarette. It's not just a fight for the revenue losses or the enforcement. It is a crusade to safeguard the health of our people and ensure, of course, the economic stability.
Mula dito sa Regional Maritime Unit 10 ng Hilagang Mindanao, ako po ang inyong Police News Network Correspondent, Corporal Joel Subsuban, alagad ng batas, taga-taguyod ng Balitang Pulis.